How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So last week when I was pulling out my car out of the driveway, I found oil on the ground. So I'm not leaking from the valve cover gasket, and I'm not leaking on the oil filter housing gasket. So when I check underneath, I found the leak is coming from the oil drain plug. So I already tightened the old drain plug before, but if I want to over tighten it, I'm gonna end up stripping the thread. So I was trying to find a solution online. So while I was doing the research to find any solution for my problem, I found this smart oil drain plug. So this oil drain plug has a built-in gasket on the threads. So this will prevent the oil from leaking through the threads. So with this, you don't need to over tighten your drain plug. Just make sure it's snug, because if you over tighten it, you're gonna strip the threads on the drain pan. So this will prevent the oil from leaking. You just have to find the right type of threads according to your thread type on your BMW. So they make a lot of smart oil drain plug, but for different cars, you just have to match the one that for your car and find the right thread pattern or thread pitch, so you can install one of these on your car if you're getting the same problem. Because if I have to over tighten the drain plug, I'm gonna end up stripping it and I'm gonna have more problems later on. So I'm gonna install this, but you know that I just changed my oil a couple of videos ago, so my oil is still fresh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain the oil. I'm gonna install this smart oil drain plug, and then I'm gonna put back the oil because the oil is still good. So now let's go to the video. Just found out I have a massive oil leak underneath my car. So I have to check out what's wrong with it. I suspect it's the oil plug. So I'm gonna check if the oil plug is leaking. So the leak is coming from the oil drain plug. And look what I found. See that? That's a catless downpipe. That's cool. So I don't have to spend money to buy a catless downpipe. The car comes with a catless downpipe. So the previous owner already put catless downpipe. That's good. So now what we're gonna do is remove this drain plug, drain out all the oil, and then replace back with the smart oil drain plug, and then put back the oil in the engine, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, then I have to retap the oil drain pan with a bigger thread, so I can put a different type of oil plug. Because as you see, I already tightened this drain plug, so if I tighten it more, it's gonna strip the thread on the oil pan, because this is aluminum oil pan. So I don't want to strip the thread, so I'm just gonna take out this oil drain plug and replace it with the smart oil drain plug. Maybe we can fix the problem. 17mm socket. Remove this drain plug. So while the oil is dripping, I'm just gonna show you the comparison between the two drain plug. So as you can see, it's a little bit longer. It has a gasket in the middle. And it has its own washer. So this one comes with the copper washer from MAN oil filter, and this is the standard BMW oil drain plug. So I might have some problem with the threads on the oil pan, because the threads on this drain plug is I don't see any wear or strip threads on this drain plug. And we're gonna replace it with the Smart oil drain plug. So this is the same thread. So if you're putting one on your BMW, so for my car it's 12 by 1.5, M12 by 1.5. So as you can see, it's just a little bit longer. I hope I'm not gonna get any issue on that. See, if you look at it, the gasket is like 3/4 of the way of the original plug. So okay, so now I'm gonna install this Smart oil drain plug. So now the oil finally stops dripping. I'm gonna install this Smart oil drain plug. And wipe off this oil. So now I'm gonna monitor this drain plug if it's still leaking oil, and then I'll keep you posted on that. So far I got a good feeling because it's pretty tight. So plus you got the gasket there, so yeah. So I put back all the oil. So far I don't see any sweating leak, or so far I didn't see any leak. It looks like it's gonna be okay, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it in a couple of days. Make sure it's working. Make sure the plug is working good. That's not gonna leak any more oil. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Also, if you're interested in a smart oil drain plug, I'm gonna put down the link on the description down below. So stay tuned also for the upcoming video. Well, it's time to tune the car, guys. It's time to tune the car. So stay tuned for that video. Please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.